to learn something about big and cool thing. It's the globe. So let's learn and explore the world. Globe is a 3D miniature model of the earth that shows us the earth in simple but accurate way. In the globe we can see the land, water, continents, oceans and the north and south poles. See, this is the north pole located on the top of the globe, and this is the south pole located on the bottom of the globe. It's just like the real earth. Now friends, can you see this line in the middle? Yes, it is called the equator, and I have told you earlier about the north and south poles. I can find my country on over here. This is my country, it's called India. If you want, you can also find your country. So tell me in the comments your name and the place you live in, including the continent, country and state. There are also 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. And there are also 5 oceans. Now in the comment section, can you also tell me about the 5 oceans and their names? Okay. Now let's come to the main question. Why do you use a globe? We use a globe because number 1, we can understand the shape of the earth. It helps us to understand the earth easily. It shows us how much land and water there is on the earth, and it is easier than and better than a flat map, as it's round like the real earth. So now let's do a fun quiz time. So in the quiz time, you will go to the comment section. I will give you some questions and I'll give you 10 seconds to complete all of the questions, and then I'll reveal the answers at the end. So I will give you a tour of the globe so that you can try to remember and get all the answers correct. So now I have shown you the tour of the earths. Now I'll give you the questions. So the first question is, which is the largest ocean? The second question is, which is the smallest ocean? The third question is, which is the largest continent? And the last question is, which is the smallest continent? So your time starts now. So have you done your answers? Okay, now I'll reveal you the answers. The first question, which is this largest ocean, is the answer Pacific Ocean. The second answer of which is the smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Question number 3, that is which is the smallest continent, is Australia. And the fourth and the last question is, which is the largest continent, which is Asia. So this is the end of our learning about globe. So next time you see a globe, don't forget to give it a spin and like, subscribe and share to our channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye.